In this module, we'll discuss more of the planning elements in the dashboard system. We'll talk about services and initiatives, goals, and objectives. Services are those functions that the group currently provides to clients, partners, or the organization. Initiatives are future services that the group would like to provide. Services are defined only by the service number and the description. A service or initiative can be copied from any other group in the selected organization. When a service or initiative is copied, all of its related goals, objectives, and activities will be copied as well. This feature can save a lot of data entry when multiple groups have similar services. As an example, if the WIC program has multiple offices, a template for the offices can be created, then the service is copied to the operational plan for each office. All planning elements, including services and initiatives, can be categorized and subcategorized as desired. We'll go into detail on this powerful tool in a later training module. All of the changes to the services and initiatives are tracked in a history table. We'll go into detail on history and performance charting in a later training module. Each planning element, users, orgs, groups, services and initiatives, goals, objectives, and activities, may have multiple version-controlled documents attached to them through the document management system. We'll explain this feature in a later training module as well. Goals, objectives, and activities define the how we do it planning elements for services and initiatives. Each service or initiative may have multiple goals. Each goal has a status flag and related notes, typically regarding the status flag. A green flag indicates that the goal is proceeding as expected. No action is needed at this time. A yellow flag indicates that the goal may not be proceeding as expected. This could be due to potential funding issues, resources moving or leaving, partners not able to perform as expected, or similar issues. Help may be needed to get it back to a green flag. A red flag says that the goal is in serious danger of not meeting expectations. Possibly funds have evaporated, someone left the organization, or a partner is not performing as required. Immediate help is required to move it to a yellow or a green. A gold flag shows that this goal has been successfully completed. It may be a template for best practice for developing future goals. The status flag can be set by clicking on the traffic light on the bottom half of the screen. Each click will advance the color from red to yellow to green to gold. Once you get to the desired color, click the Save button. Notes are typically entered anytime the status of a goal has changed. Like all planning elements, documents can be attached, history records are maintained, and goals can be categorized. We'll go into detail on these features in a later training module. Objectives define the how we do it element for goals. Each goal may have multiple objectives. Objectives have somewhat more detail than goals. In addition to the status flag and notes, each objective has an objective leader and activity roll-up fields. The objective lead field allows you to select a system user who has been assigned as the leader for this objective. Click on the down arrow to select an objective leader. If the desired person is not in the current group, click the Select All Users button to show all users in the organization. Select the desired user and click the Save button. Once you make all of the edits to the objective, click the Save button. The green flag button allows you to select or unselect this objective as a My Priority issue on the dashboard screen. We'll discuss this later in the dashboard training module. The Performance Chart button allows you to view the changes in the objective over any period of time graphically. We'll discuss this feature in a later training module as well. Like all planning elements, documents can be attached, history records are maintained, and objectives can be categorized. We'll go into detail on these features in future training modules. Thanks for reviewing the services, goals, and objectives. In the next module, we'll discuss the most detailed planning elements in the dashboard system, activities.